Hi guys, I'm Maria. Today, along with an attractive way to teach colors, we will draw and color a rainbow heart. So watch this video till the end, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. First, we draw a beautiful heart and divide it into 7 parts. Just do like me. Finished drawing. Now we want to paint this beautiful heart with rainbow colors. The first color is red. Do you know what color red is? Which car is red? Yes, car number 2. The second color is orange. Can you tell me which ball is orange? Yes, number 1 is correct. The basketball is orange. The next color is yellow. Do you know the color of which image we can make yellow? Lemon, cherry, tomato, or cucumber? Yes, you guessed it. Number 4, lemon. The next color is green. Lovely green. Which leaf is green? Can you tell me? Yes, number 3 is correct. Now it's the turn of blue color, beautiful blue, like the sky. How many of these pictures you see are blue? Can you count them? Well done, there are 3 blue images. Now we use indigo color. Do you know indigo color is obtained from the combination of what colors? From the combination of purple and blue colors. The last color we use is purple. Purple comes from the combination of red and blue. The painting is finished. Let's bold the lines to make our drawing more beautiful. I hope you enjoy watching this video. I'll see you in the next video.